Hello and welcome, and in this video I am going to be unboxing the boAt Stone 260 Bluetooth speaker. So that is the speaker right there, as you can see. It's got a signature and a photo of Karthik Aryan on the top, on the top of the speaker. It says boAt plug into Nirvana. Alright, at the back, okay, so it's IPX5 water resistant. It says it's funkier than funky. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless and an SD card slot. So this has an SD card slot. You can hook it with a carabiner, so you can go hiking with this. It's rugged and it's lightweight, and it has a 4-watt sound, so it's portable yet powerful. That's what they're claiming. So let's go ahead and unbox this and open it up. So there are two things you need to cut over there on the side, and just lift this up, and there you go. So that is the boAt Stone 260. That's the speaker, and apart from that, in the box, as you can see, you have a charging cable and you have some documents. There's your, this is probably the user manual. Okay, welcome to the boAt family. Yep, this is the user manual, and it tells you how to actually control this. So there's an LED indicator on the side. Okay, so there you go. The speaker itself, it's a nice design. It says jazz, rock, stoned, rockers, boAt, and there's the boAt logo. The logo is sort of raised, could sort of come out later on, but let's see. Down here is where you have the slot for your SD card and also the charging, for charging it. You need to plug it in there, and when you're done you can just close it up. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the boAt Stone 260 Bluetooth speaker. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.